Hello all, welcome to our channel, The Chat Club. This is Vasant Manik. In this video, we are going to see one of our most commonly available plant that is known for its beautiful lush green appearance, low maintenance and its air purifying attributes. Yes, the spider plant. The spider plant is considered as one of the most adaptable of house plants and the easiest to grow. The spider plant can grow in a wide range of conditions. It is known for its attractive foliage. The spider plant adds greenery to the interiors with a clean and fresh air. One of the most enjoyable and rewarding aspects of growing a spider plant is that you can very easily propagate the spider plants and have countless plants for yourself, and you can gift it to others as well. The plant has got a very good air purifying attributes. The NASA Clean Air Study determined that this plant was effective at removing certain common household air toxins and thus giving you a fresh air to breathe. Regarding the amount of sunlight, although spider plants are not very much particular with the lighting aspects, they do thrive best in bright indirect sunlight as they are known for being window plants. Since they are not that much selective with their lighting choices, they will do just fine in partial direct sunlight or bright indirect sunlight. Regarding watering, check the soil with your finger, and once the soil has completely dried out, you can water it. Please don't overwater it, the plants may get root rots. Regarding repotting, spider plants don't need to be repotted often since much of their growth is through their leaves and plantlets. A major sign that the spider plant needs to be repotted is if you find the roots rises above the rim of the pot, then it would be the perfect time to repot your spider plant. There are 3 different varieties of spider plants that is commonly available. All the 3 varieties are very easy to grow with very low maintenance. The one which you are seeing is named as curly spider plant, or it is also called as variegated bony spider plant. And the next variety is a solid green curly spider plant. With my experience, I would say this solid green spider plant is much more easier to maintain when compared to the other 2 varieties. And the next variety is a variegated spider plant. It is one of a popular plant among the gardeners. It displays curved leaves with white edges and green streaks in the center. Okay, now let us see how to propagate spider plant. It is very pretty simple. A healthy and grown mother plant will have many babylets or pups like this. Select a healthy pup and please make sure it has at least some small number of roots on it like this. One of the easiest method to propagate spider plant is water propagation. That's what we are gonna do now. Select the pup that is healthy enough, and all you have to do is to cut the pup from the mother plant. After cutting the pup, place it in a bottle that is filled with water. Just use normal tap water. Normal tap water is enough. You have to place it like this, and please make sure that the small roots are properly immersed in the water. After completion, place this bottle with the pup in a shaded place. Within few days, you can find many new roots from the pup. Allow the roots to grow for at least 1 or 2 inches. Then you can transfer it and you can plant it in a soil. Another interesting fact about spider plant is that it can grow even in a very small size planters as well. The one which now you are seeing is a very small ceramic planter in which my little son has grown this spider plant. I thought initially it may not thrive in this small planter, but to my surprise it is thriving really well in it. And it's been almost more than a year since my son has planted in this small planter. Still this spider plant looks lush green and fresh. I would say the spider plants are one of the best choices for hanging baskets. Plants in hanging baskets require more frequent watering than the same plants require when planted in the garden. In warm weather, you will often need to water hanging baskets daily since they will dry out quickly when exposed to sun and wind. In hanging baskets, make sure that the potting soil is rich in organic materials such as coco peat that will retain water for more time. I hope this video would have been useful to you. We have published many videos about gardening tips and tricks, about indoor plants and its maintenance, and many more stuffs about gardening. An exclusive gardening playlist link has been mentioned in the description as well. If you found our videos to be interesting, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel, and more importantly, don't forget to click the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you so much.